I'm here. Brendon's here. And we are having some Dole Whip. And we are back to hang out and catch up and see Silver Dollar City's brand new Spring Exposition. Just demolished some Dole Whip. It is definitely Dole Whip weather out here today. It feels like summer for the first time, and I'm literally living for it. But Brendon and I are going to go ride Time Traveler, and then we'll probably go check out the new Plaza. Nice. First Time Traveler ride of the year. Here we go. After a little mic malfunction and an amazing ride on Time Traveler, we're going into the Plaza for the first time ever. I'm so excited. It almost feels like I shouldn't be here because this is closed off so much of the year. I'm in it. I'm in the Plaza. Brendon's in the Plaza. We're in the Plaza. So much seating and space to just hang out. Got fire in the hole you can walk through over there. And you can get all the festival favorites. We're gonna take a look around. Probably get a snack. So pretty. There's flowers everywhere. It's so springy. Lots of craft and small business booths over here. And I need one of every shirt, please and thank you. This is the Lebanese spring pasta salad with all kinds of yummy vegetables. I'm so excited that you can get a pasta option here at Silver Dollar City. The logos are different. The surprise might be better than yours. It might, maybe. Maybe.
Well, I'll cross my fingers.
You'll have to see.
You're this close to an idiot.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Hang on, stop.
Collaborate.
Listen.
What a haul.
That's for you. That's for you.
Oh my gosh.
That's for me.
That's for me.
They all the same flavor?
I think so. They have flavors.
Yeah. Some of them are original, some of them are chocolate.
And we have fruit cups. I got a stick of gum. We have pear sauce.
Not
got
applesauce.
No, not applesauce. Pear sauce. And
That's stuff from Clarabelle.
Woo!
yeah, for the first time. Oh, I can't say that. That's pretty right. Okay, how do I do this?
For the first time on the train ride.
That's a good point. Okay, how do I do this? So, oh!
That's chocolate or fudge?
Yep.
You.
Rock one sponge. No, well, we were silly once. Now we gotta keep it 1880s here.
No, I'm actually trying to keep my diet.
Okay.
Yeah, I've heard. They might have feelings that would hurt.
I'm not proud, it's just the clothes that make us swear.
Yeah, I'll say
I gotta eat the chocolate Rice Krispie treat.
What's going on up here?
What's going on up here? I went all the way down to Sweet Mary's Town and all the way back. No,
Full Florida.
I'm sorry, I couldn't understand that. I'm trying to be a...
Full Florida.
Not bad enough for this.
As you can see, we had an excellent train ride. I'm losing my voice because the allergies are just so crazy, but I'm actually gonna continue on into Branson, and Brendon and I are gonna hop on the Branson Ferris Wheel and just kind of enjoy the scenery. By the way, I was the one who brought the fudge to the train robbers. I'm so glad they loved it. This train was so incredibly generous. They really brought in a good haul. Oh.
This very Ferris wheel stood high above Lake Michigan, where nearly 17 million visitors took advantage of her spectacular views.
Hi!
Branson. Well, since 1981, the track has been about creating unforgettable moments. We knew this Ferris wheel would take this tradition to new heights.
That's cool.
So in early 2016, a convoy of
We were gonna go to Chick-fil-A before the light show at the Ferris wheel. It's Sunday. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm meeting Brendon again for a few hours before I have to go to work. Tasting passport and mug are in hand, and the allergies are in full swing, but it is another beautiful day. Oh my gosh. The little chipmunk.
So this year I like trying to hold off.
So pretty. Look at these guys. So sunny. So pretty. Between you and me, I have really good luck on Fire in the Hole this year. Don't tell anybody. We are gonna go over to Wildfire. We found the time traveler.
Hello.
If you could do one thing at Spring Exposition, what would it be? Only one.
Only
Only
one
a
thing
different
at the spring. It's a big spring festival, you see.
Yes.
Oh my. I would taste test all of the new foods for the spring festival. That's the one thing I would do. I would taste test all of them.
That's what I was gonna say. Can I have my tasting passport?
Yes.
So good.
That's the way to go.
Yes.
All right.
Well, thank you.
We'll see you here. Thank you.
Yeah. Good to see ya.
Oh, it's good to be seen.
I've been recording.
Oh, lovely.
I've been recording. We're number one. We're number one. Sunny day, you gotta protect yourself from the sun. No, but for real, we just ran into Robert. We talked to him for just a second because I said I liked his umbrella, and then he gave it to me. Robert is also a friend of the channel. Yeah, thank you, Robert.
Keep your hands, arms, and feet inside the train at all times.
Oh,
Oh my, it's Michael Haygood.
found him. And the intrusive thoughts take over. Oh, Grandpa. We got the place to ourselves.
Wow.
Heck yeah. Actually, let me get over here. That was great timing. I'm really bad at pool, but I do enjoy it. Free falling. Excuse me. Whee. The leveling function is being so thrown off in this room. Trying to level the shot is not going well.
Very haunted mansion.
Yeah. Oh heck. Whee. And just like that, I have to go to work. It was so much fun spending these last couple days out here with a bunch of friends and familiar faces. It's just impossible to feel nothing but happiness when I get to visit the city, but I guess I gotta go to work so I can make money to come back to the city. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts, your comments, your suggestions, your ideas. Be sure to share them in the comments below, or you can contact me. There's information in the description that has my email address, fan pages, information about merchandise, and so much more. So be sure to check that out. Don't forget to hit that like button, share the video, and if you haven't already, hit the button right up there to subscribe. And in fact, if you did enjoy this, I've even got another video for you right here. And also about these wonderful people here, those are my YouTube members and my patrons, the ones whose financial support makes this possible. I couldn't do it without them. If you want to know more about that and the perks that come with it, well, be sure to check the description. There's a link right down there. Thank you so incredibly much. God bless.